High school football kind of started everything for me. I was a defensive end, right tackle, and a middle linebacker. It wasn't easy. I mean, I was on a team with 110 guys, and I was the only girl. They did not want me there. That made me want to be there even more, and it made me like fearless. I've always had the grit to get out there and do what I want to do and be the person that I want to be. I feel like the only person that could ever stop me was me. I still think that. My name's Jadea Kirsch. I'm 23 years old, and I'm the first Black rodeo queen. Whenever you're on a horse, they're just beautiful, and they're loving, and they're trustworthy. When it comes to working with the animals, I'm used to like getting dirty. But whenever I'm preparing for a rodeo, I love big lashes, I love makeup, I love lip liner. When you're going to buy your makeup, you want to be comfortable. I feel like when you walk into Sephora, it feels like home, like how welcoming they are. I really love the diversity and our values align when it comes to people and representation and inclusion and just making sure that everybody feels, like they are somebody. I didn't come from a family that had, 10 acres and a mule. Dad was incarcerated all of my childhood. And my mom, she had me when she was 16. When I was 6 years old, I was sexually assaulted. My counselor, she introduced me to this horse named Sunshine, and she was like, this is a 1,500-pound animal. If you can control this horse, you can control anything in your life. And I always say that day she set me in that saddle and she handed me the reins to my freedom. And I'd been riding horses ever since. I feel the most free when I'm riding horses. When I'm out on the ranch and you're by yourself, it's like nothing else matters. It's just freedom. As a Black cowgirl, as a Black woman in the Western industry, it's still a very racist place. Representation, it's important because I bring something different to the table. For me, it's showing up and being seen as the Black cowgirl so that the next little girl doesn't even have to question whether it's something that she can do or something that she can accomplish. Just to really break the stigma, I have to make this normal, for not just for me, but for the next generation.